Are you haunted by C++ at the wee hours? Or perhaps hearing Java's soothing call? Dive into the electrifying world of coding that promises both thrills and tranquility. Imagine a nighttime scenario where your code feels more like a ghost story, a chilling C++ error lurking at every turn. But wait, here comes Java, the cool, chill boss, serving coffee and good vibes without crashing your dreams. There's nothing like the thrill of a coding journey, especially when common pitfalls and errors become mere shadows of the past. So why not unlock the door to a supportive coding community and subscribe now? In this vibrant arena of code, watch as the best coding languages meet in glitchy virtual battles. Picture the phrase, write once, run anywhere. Lighting up the screen, showcasing Java's magic through its platform independence. Cue the laughter at Python's struggles, slow as a sloth on hefty applications, leaving C++ clutching to its one machine like a bad date. But fear not, because Java snickers from the sidelines, proving itself resilient, running seamlessly even on Grandma's toaster. With ironclad security and no pointer fears, Java offers JIT speed without the accompanying headaches, reliable banks, immersive Android experiences, and binge-worthy Netflix content all find their roots in Java's powerful embrace. Embrace the rhythm of features where coding turns into a celebration, the 3D carousel spinning joyfully around you. Picture object-oriented programming as Lego building blocks, constructing empires one brick at a time. Picture threads twirling gracefully in a dance of multithreading, while Spring Boot zips by faster than your favorite noodle dish. With an approachable syntax and without the complexities of pointer struggles, cleaning up garbage memory is child's play. You can relax as the garbage collection takes care of what's no longer needed, while you kick back and dream of more important coding adventures. As you zoom through the exhilarating montage of applications, envision Java powering everything from your mobile Android devices to the enormous landscapes of big data, breathing life into web applications, and even supporting Minecraft servers. Java is the Swiss Army knife of programming, always versatile and never rusting. Now, if you're feeling intimidated, fear not. Within just 8 weeks, you could transform from a coding newbie into a programming superhero. Bypass the nightmares associated with C++ and dive straight into Java with confidence. So, are you ready to level up your coding game? With Java, the possibilities are endless. Forget about the drama of coding divas. It's time to join a supportive community. Like if C++ has sparked a moment of horror within you, share your tales of terror in the comments, and make sure to subscribe for upcoming Odia classes. Python roasts are on the horizon. Stay tuned.